So hello and welcome guys once again in this video. So this video is going to be something different. It's not all about tips, tricks, etc. It's all about my journey on ChatGPT, that how ChatGPT helped me to make me strong my spoken English. So I'm going to categorize this video in 5 parts. So watch me till the end and learn from me that how I improve my spoken English through ChatGPT, how ChatGPT helped me a lot. But before that, if you are new and you did not subscribe my channel yet, then do subscribe the channel, like this video, comment on this video, share this video. So okay, let's start the video again. Literally, I want to thank ChatGPT. Thank you so much. Because of you, I learned too much. You know what was the struggle phase? The struggle phase is, I am belong to a small village. I am an inhabitant of a small village. So it is not easy. It was not easy to learn how to speak in English because we don't have any partner in a village. In a school, college, we learn grammar, but as a villager, we don't have any partner to speak in English with whom or with anyone. So that is why speaking confidently is a scary part of our life. I hesitated, I made mistakes, even I do make mistakes till now. But I want to improve my spoken English day by day by speaking in front of this camera, in front of people or with anyone or alone at home. Do you know what is the turning point of me to become a fluent speaker in English? Although I believe that I am a fluent speaker, because until and unless I do believe on it, I can't improve myself. So I urge you again to subscribe this channel, like this video, share this video, comment on this video. When I came to know about ChatGPT, I even did not know that how to use ChatGPT. I did not know any command or anything else. I was using it initially randomly. So suddenly a thought came in my mind and I asked ChatGPT a question, a wrong sentence, and asked ChatGPT to make it correct grammatically. And within a few seconds, ChatGPT made that sentence grammatically correct. And I was shocked, and I learned that in this way even I can improve my spoken English too. And gradually I realized that it is my friend, it is my mentor who is always available for me to help me to improve my spoken English. I am not recommending you to go for the premium version, for the pro version. You can use it freely with the free version. Also you can use any other AI apps too. So I started using ChatGPT and I improved myself. I asked ChatGPT any wrong question, any doubt. So ChatGPT helped me to made me correct it without any judgment, without any pressure. Now I am going to share the learning process from it. So slowly I made a habit to use ChatGPT and to use it in good way. What I was doing, I pick a topic and asking ChatGPT with a wrong pattern, with a wrong grammar, and even sometimes with a correct one. And ChatGPT and I was asking ChatGPT day by day that make it correct, or with grammatically correct, with IELTS grammar, or with advanced English grammar, or with using idioms, phrases, daily use phrases. So in this way ChatGPT helped me a lot. And believe me, in this way ChatGPT helped me to learn a new idioms. And believe me, in this way ChatGPT helped me to improve my grammar skill, to improve grammar skill like idioms, phrases, already available in my videos, like in short videos on my channel. So you can watch it to improve yourselves. So my suggestion is that you don't need any fancy classes, any premium version. You just need courage. You just need to practice with yourselves, or you can, as I already informed multiple times, to speak in front of the camera. Even you can create a YouTube channel and upload that video. It doesn't matter anyone will watch it or not. So my final suggestion after all to you all, that you already have a personal English course to improve yourself, to improve your spoken English. Just find out it, just use it correct way, just use it good way. As a silent motivator in my life, you can make ChatGPT your silent motivator in your life too. To start speaking today, from today. So from today onwards, if you start speaking in English, then obviously you can become a perfect person. You can become a fluent speaker one day, because every count start with a 0. So it was the short video of me. So if you like this video, then do subscribe, like and comment on this video, share this video, and let me know in the comment, drop a comment in which topic next time you want me to make a video. So till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.